Okay. Today's date is 9/11/23. Mean. Alright, let's concentrate on taking these notes and stop talking. Thank you very much. Alright, another word for mean. Does anybody know another word for mean?
I forgot. Oh, I did this.
Yes? Very good. Good job, Giovanni. Average. How do I find the mean or average?
You add them all and then divide by how many numbers there is.
Good. Very good. Step 1. Add all the numbers. Step 2. Divide by how many numbers you have. Sometimes kids only want to divide by 2, and it's like, no, divide by how many numbers you have. If you have 10 numbers, you divide by 10. If you have 5 numbers, you divide by 5. Okay? So divide by how many numbers you have. Ready? When did you guys learn this? Last year? Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
At the end, right?
At the end? Oh, so she's preparing you for this year. 10, 12, 5, 10, 12, 8, and 30. 5, 10, 12, 8, and 30. Now I want to know, what is the mean? What is the mean? What do you have to do first? Do you know the word for the answer to an addition problem? What do we call it? Yes. Sum. So first you have to find the sum. So add them up.
65.
Very good. So the sum is 65. Is that my answer?
No.
Nope.
You have to divide it.
I have to divide it. So step 2 is divide 65 divided by what? 5, because there's 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to divide this by 5. Go on the side. 65 divided by 5. Uh-huh. So the mean is equal to 13. Easy enough? Alright, now let's take the numbers 60, 60, 70, 65, 71, and 79.
I did it.
Nope.
I think this will be the hardest question that I've ever done this year and last year. So 170.
405.
Wait, 75 plus 70.
What'd you get, Ben?
405.
Is it 410?
410? No. What's 60 plus 60?
120.
What's 71 plus 79?
150.
Right, because 1 plus 9. So I'm trying to see what pairs I can make. And then I don't really want to do that. So,
Makes 405. I put 140 for 75. Plus 65. That's what it is, right?
what?
70 plus 65 is. Oh, wait. 70, not 75.
Okay, so what do we get when we add all these numbers up?
That means it's 400, yeah, 400.
405.
Oh,
That is what we call the sum.
I misclicked. Oh.
So the sum is 405. That's your first step. Your first step is to add all the numbers, however you want to add them. Then what's our second step?
Divide.
Divide. What are we going to divide by?
6.
How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So step number 2. This is step number 1. Step number 2 is 405 divided by 6.
Oh, never mind. How many times? I'm gonna say 6. 6 times 4. Yeah, so out of 40. Yeah, right. For the whole number?
All right, how many times does 6 go into 40? 6. What's 6 times 6?
36.
What's your remainder?
4.
So now you have 45.
So then if you go into it,
How,
6,
how many times does 6 go into 45?
7.
7. Because 7 times 6?
42.
Remainder 3. But we don't do remainders in 7th grade.
I wish.
0.
And
Decimal.
decimal 0. Bring it down.
5.
6 goes into 30.
5.
5 times.
0.
So our mean is 67.5. All right. So why? Good morning. Welcome. So why do we learn about mean? This is how we do your grades. So how do you end up with an 80% in the class? How do you end up with a 95% in your class? So what Aries does is it takes up all of your scores, your homework, your do now scores, all of your scores, adds them up, and then divide by how many assignments you've done. And that's how you end up with your grade in any class. So that's what Aries does for us. So the teacher plugs in your grades, your do now grades, your homework log grades. The computer does all of this math. So mean, your average, is how we end up with your grade. Ta-da! Yay! We have an Avid tutor. Remind me of her name. Miguel. All right. Mr. Miguel will be with us Mondays and Wednesdays during first period. How many of you raised your hand are in Avid? There we go. Yay, Avid. All right. So he will be with us. So be great. Are we okay with mean or do we need another problem?
Nah, I'm chill. Please get me out of this.
Good, right?
Mean is like the hardest one.
Yeah, mean is the hardest one.
Out of all of them, compared to like the what's the other one?
Mean, medium, mode.
Yeah, mode.
Everything, bro.
Brother, are you serious right now?
Did you even see a test? Yeah, I was in
What is it? I found the answer, but I don't know what this divided by. 20.
What are you gonna do by 5?
4 is 4 minus 1, correct?
Alright. So let's look at this. Number 1. What is the sum? What do I get when I have 2, 4, 6, and 8?
20.
20. So underneath the sum, you're going to write the number 20. Okay? Then they already filled it in. Divided by 4, because how many numbers are there? 4. So what's 20 divided by 4? So our mean is 5. These numbers are really easy. Really, really easy. Then we're going to glue it in our notebook.
Damn. This is light work, bro. Light work, no action. 22.
What's the sum for number 2? 3. 18 is the sum for number 2.
What? No, it's 3. I was like, man. Are you saying? I'm
School makes my job easier, right?
Ocho. I'm done. I'm done. You're just moving to the next page. Miss Melly just go to the next page.
Yeah. Wait.
Once we're done. Let me see if this can fit.
Yeah, I think it's really cool.
Yeah.
Oh, did you not see me?
Okay. I know. I love it. But only the nice ones that aren't devil. Which is my The only thing that's bad is that he barks whenever he sees you. What is this? Oh, and also when people knock on the door. Hey, but my dog does not care. He's on teacher. That's the only thing bad to it. He doesn't bite it. Go into the rest of the season. And I like, I'm fine. That was light work. That
Good.
Was light work, no action.
Okay, I need your help.
Light work, no action.
Okay, you guys said that the sum for number 2 was 18, and then the mean, therefore, is 3. What's the sum for number 3? 30 divided by equals number 4 divided by equals number 5 divided by 7 equals 3. Thank you. Number 6 divided by 4 equals 7 divided by 6 equals 8. 27 divided by 3 equals 9. 35 divided by 5 equals 7. And 10 divided by 7 equals 3. You work on your own page. All right.